Hello, dear friends. I'm Dr. Watson. Rad новой встречи.
Hello, I'm Sherlock, and I'm happy to see you again too.
Как вы знаете, мы рассматриваем все странные, трудные и заковыристые ситуации, связанные с английским языком. Ха-ха, that's easy. И поэтому наша программа называется Word Investigation. Sherlock, what are you doing? I put a sign especially for you, sir.
Oh, I see.
Why are you smoking then?
Because I smoke. It's my habit.
The bad habit. And you smoke all the time.
Watson, you smoke cigars as well, don't you?
Yes, sir. But I'm not smoking now. It might be harmful for our audience.
But you are drinking coffee, aren't you?
Yes, that's true. I drink it a lot.
But it's harmful for you.
No, it isn't. Because I'm a fiction character. That's the author's fantasy.
Well, my pipe cannot be harmful either. Therefore, the smoke is the author's fantasy too.
Okay, we'll look into it sometime later. But now I'm going to announce the topic of our new investigation. It's about what we are doing at the moment and what we do sometimes. Now compare the examples. Take an umbrella. It's raining. It always rains in October. We use the present continuous for something happening now. We use the present simple for repeated actions. Have a look at some other examples. Don't switch off the radio. I'm listening to it. I normally listen to the radio at lunchtime. Look, that gentleman is taking a photo of you. Andrew is a photographer. He takes photos for magazines. Now, I'm going to show you a very old letter from my famous great-grandfather to his sister. It is about his famous colleague and friend, Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock thinks he's a musician. He likes so much playing his violin, but he doesn't understand that it sounds awful. Oh, I hate these sounds, but I know well that the violin helps Sherlock a lot. So I pay no attention to it. Sherlock doesn't realize that I don't bear his music and asks me every time to listen to it. I agree, and Sherlock starts playing and believes that his music makes me cry. But I'm so unhappy with Sherlock's talent and want to run away as far as possible. Let me remind you, friends, we normally use the present simple with the verbs of thinking and feeling. Please remember, the choice of the tense depends on the permanence or temporality of the action. We are studying antiquity until the end of the term. We study antiquity at our university. It's our main course. John is living at his aunt's, but he will hire a flat soon. John lives with his aunt. He bought this flat 3 years ago. Summing up all that was said, I'd like so much to introduce a special lady to you.
An actually exclusive one, to some extent. Hey.
This is Olga. Olga is a secretary. She works in an office. Every weekday, she types reports, sends emails, and answers the phone. She doesn't like her job a lot and she doesn't find it interesting. But she believes that she is working there for a time. Today is Sunday, so let's see what she's doing now. Look, she's cleaning her flat. Oh, yum yum, she's cooking dinner. Wow, she's doing some really dangerous housework. And it's not boring at all, and she looks happy now.
I think she would be much happier if you go and help your sweetheart.
You're right, sir. That's easy. She's waiting for me. Darling, I'm coming.